Hello, in this particular video I'm gonna guide you how you can see installed apps inside your computer. It is either PC or desktop computer. Come and click on your Windows icon, and then after search for control panel. After control panel, click on that, and then after come here and click on program and feature. And once you click on program and feature, you see these all are installed apps. So in here you can even click on that and you can uninstall or change unnecessary or unwanted apps from your computer. The second method is again come to control panel and then search for apps and features. Under apps and features, you see once you click in apps and features, you see these all are installed apps inside in your computer. Again, you can click on that, and if you are not interested with the app, you can uninstall and completely permanently remove that apps from your desktop or from your PC. So this is the only way. Don't go any further way and waste your time. That way you can simply remove any apps and see installed apps in your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and be a family. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.